Good morning, guys. Today we are going to replace this leaking radiator. Remove the radiator cap and open the radiator drain plug. Detach the bottom hose. To release the belt tension, rotate the tensioner pulley counterclockwise. The tensioner pulley is above the alternator. Reposition the belt and then disconnect the upper hose. Remove the 4 nuts securing the fan. I'm using WD-40 to help loosen the fan. Remove the 2 bolts that secure the shroud. Release the clip that fastens the transmission lines. Pull both the fan and shroud out together. Remove the 4 bolts securing the radiator. It will be necessary to relocate the transmission cooler to access one of the bolts. Remove and replace the old radiator. Now put everything back. Ensure the shroud is positioned within this cutout to guarantee proper fitment. This non-spill kit includes the following components: a bag of different fitting sizes, a microfiber cloth, the control valve, multiple funnel sizes, and the instructions. Install the control valve. Match your cap. Match your filler neck and secure it with the cap. Secured the funnel. If you choose an aftermarket coolant brand, ensure it is labeled as compatible with Toyota vehicles requiring pink or red coolant, often labeled as Asian vehicle. Fill the overflow tank to the designated full line. Start the engine and crank up the heat to get rid of any air bubbles in the system. You can also lightly squeeze the hose to push out air. Should you find this information valuable, please subscribe for additional DIY and outdoor content. I appreciate your viewership.